Welcome. If you're looking to make your Discord experience a little more private, or just want a cleaner look, you might want to disable the exact search result counts on Discord Mobile. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off this feature so you can browse and search without those extra numbers popping up. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up the Discord app. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to your user settings. Next, you'll notice a gear icon, which is the settings button. Tap on that to head into your account settings. There are a lot of options here, but don't worry. We're only a few taps away from our goal. Now scroll down through the settings menu until you find the section labeled Appearance. Tap on Appearance to open up the display and theme options for Discord. Inside the Appearance settings, look for the toggle labeled Show Exact Search Result Counts. By default, this is usually turned on, which means you see the exact number of results every time you search for something in a server, or your messages. To disable it, simply tap the toggle so it turns off. Once you've toggled it off, Discord will automatically save your settings. There's no need to hit a save button or restart the app. Your changes take effect right away. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the exact search result counts on Discord Mobile. Now, when you search, you'll see a more streamlined display without the extra result numbers. If you ever change your mind and want to see those counts again, just follow these same steps and toggle the setting back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. See you next time.